All right, so yeah, I'm out walking now. I don't know if you can see behind me or up in the sky. Pretty good sized towering cumulus. So there'll probably be some thunderstorms and some rain here soon. So hopefully I can find something before that happens. All right, so I made it to the gardens and check this out. There's a tornado, waterspout. I don't know what you'd want to call it. That is awesome. That is really awesome. I'm gonna get closer if I can, see if I can see it where it's touching the water. All right, so I'm running to get a better view, and I might not be able to. This might be the best view I get. I'm gonna keep walking this way. I'll zoom in some. Look at that. It's a friggin' tornado. That is awesome. You can see it pulling water up, I believe, there. How cool is that? Looks like it might be starting to raise. You can see it spinning. Oh, it might go back down, I don't know. I don't know if you can still see it behind me back there. It's sort of just roping out. It's sort of gone almost now, but I wasn't expecting that. Tornado or waterspout, I'm not really sure which, but that's awesome. I mean, that's awesome.